So now, once you're finished running for the day, what we're gonna go ahead and do is purge out as much material that's still in the tank and lines as possible. So we're gonna carefully unscrew this and remove the needle. It will be given a little resistance since there's distillate in the line. This can be then put into a glass of ethanol and saved for another day. And we're going to increase the temperature of both the pump and the tank to 55 degrees Celsius. This is just for cleaning purposes. And we'll make sure that that is centered on, and we are going to go to our cleaning section and we're going to press and hold the purge button. We can also turn our needle heater off, and if you notice it's coming out pretty slow just because this is pure distillate, we'll go down here and turn up our pressure on the tank to get that to come out a little faster. So once it starts sputtering, you're gonna go ahead and stop the purge, and then we're gonna go ahead and press and hold cycle pump. And we're just gonna make sure that all of the concentrate is off of the pump piston as well. So we'll let that go for 5 or 6 cycles, basically. And once it looks like there's no more coming out, you can go ahead and stop that. Now that we have gotten as much of the concentrate out as we can, we're gonna go ahead and start the cleaning process. So we've hooked up our cleaning jar, and we're gonna remove the reservoir lid. Always make sure that the blue sleeve is in the up position, so it says off, so that means we're depressurizing it before we loosen the clamp. And we're gonna take this ethanol. If you have a spray bottle, it works best, because we're gonna make sure that we coat all the walls, and then put about 200 milliliters is ideal in here. Try not to spill. And we'll go ahead and we're going to make sure we have this secure, because it's very important that you have the tank closed and then also pressurized during the cleaning process. And then we're going to go to our cleaning controls, and we see here the auto clean. And we're going to go ahead and press and hold until it turns green, and then you'll see a countdown, which is this is going to let you know when the cleaning process is finished. So we're going to go ahead and start the auto clean by pressing and holding. We see our countdown timer starts right there, and now we can see in the line here, and we can see it dripping into the cleaning jar. So with the cleaning jar hooked up, while it's running the cleaning cycle, you can walk away from the system and let it run the cycle. It'll take about 10 minutes. All right, so once the auto clean cycle is done, we're gonna